Okay, let's learn about different types of transport with Disney Junior. There are loads of different types of transport to help us move around. By land, water, air, and even in space.
Blast off!
Let's see if you are a true transport expert with a game of Spot the Odd One Out. Your job is to spot the one that doesn't go with the others. And for each one you get right, you will earn a Disney Junior Transport Trophy!
To the finish line and to victory!
Are you ready? Then buckle up. The Transport Spot the Odd One Out quiz is about to begin.
Hot dog!
Which one of these types of transport doesn't belong on land? Rollerblades? Bicycles? Rowboats? Or cars? Can you spot the odd one out that doesn't belong on land? You got it! The rowboat is the odd one out. You've just earned your first transport trophy! On land, you can travel by rollerblades, bicycle or car, but rowboats are for travelling on water.
Everybody in! We're rowing across! All right, Daisy! Oh, I've gotcha!
Ready for the next question?
Yes!
Which of these types of transport doesn't belong in the sky? Hot air balloons? Scooters? Aeroplanes? Or helicopters? Do you know which one is the odd one out? Great work! Scooters are for travelling on land, not in the sky. You've won your second transport trophy!
Come back here!
So long!
Next question. Which one of these types of transport doesn't belong on or in water? A ship? A submarine? A motorboat? Or a van? Which one doesn't belong on or in water? Correct! The van is the odd one out. It drives on land. You're on a roll! That's your third transport trophy!
Happy helpers are on the way. We're on the job, 'cause today we're Grandpa Helpers!
Howdy, happy helpers.
Hi, Grandpa Beagle. Nice to meet you.
Sonny Boy tells me you'll be tooling me around town today. Why, that's the bee's knees.
3 out of 3. You're doing great. But are you ready for the bonus question? Which of the following is a magic mode of transport? Camels? Buses? Trains? Or brooms? Do you know which one is the magic way to travel? That's right! If you're magical like Vampirina, brooms are a great way to travel. You've just won the bonus transport trophy!
Please secure your carry-on luggage, stow your tray tables, and hold on to your broomsticks, because we're up, up, and away!
You can do this. Watch. Here goes nothing! Flying is pretty amazing, V.
Congratulations! You've won all 4 transport trophies and passed the Transport Spot the Odd One Out quiz.
Mission accomplished.
Thanks for travelling with Disney Junior today, and always watch where you're going.
Watch where you're going. Whoa, hey! Run for your life! Watch where you're going!
Tap your screen for more videos and tune in to Disney Junior to watch your favourite shows.